Alright, so here is the transpose right here on this keyboard. So let me just see how it goes. This is -1. That's the low as it goes. But I don't. It changes the key, the transpose, you know. If you like this keyboard, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So if you know, all these sound the same. That's how the keys are supposed to sound, like at 0 0. But it's just when it shows -1 and then it 0. You know. But the key, this has 61. I hope I'll get a rock jam soon, so it has more rhythms. Because some keyboards don't even have that much rhythms than the other ones do. Maybe because they're old, probably. Okay, so anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video.